Hello, I'm Teacher Ken. Another day and another science lesson with me. And today, we are going to explore the amazing world of animals. Have you ever wondered why a dog is different from a butterfly? Or why a fish is different from a starfish? Today, we'll learn how scientists classify animals into two major groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. Are you ready? Now, let's get started. First, let's talk about classification. Animals are living things that can move, eat, and grow. Scientists classify animals into groups based on their shared characteristics. Why is classification important? Because it helps us understand animals better, recognize their similarities and differences, and understand how they fit into the natural world. Think of as organizing a huge collection of animals into groups that are easier to study. Now, let's meet our first group. We have the vertebrates. Vertebrates are animals that have a backbone or spine. They also have an internal skeleton, called an endoskeleton, and their brain is protected by a skull. Vertebrates include five major groups: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. For example, we have a fish, frogs, snakes, eagles, and dogs. So remember, vertebrates have a backbone. Let's take a closer look at the skeleton of vertebrates. An endoskeleton is an internal skeleton. This means the skeleton is found inside the body. It gives the body support and helps protect important organs. So when you think of vertebrates, remember two important words: the backbone and endoskeleton. Now, let's discover the five main groups of vertebrates. Number 1. Fish. They live in water and have gills and scales. One example is salmon. Number 2. Amphibians. They can live on land and in water. A frog is a good example. Number 3. Reptiles. They have dry, scaly skin. Snakes are examples. Number 4. Birds. They have feathers and lay eggs. Eagles are examples. And number 5. Mammals. They have hair or fur and produce milk for their young. And humans are mammals. Can you name all 5? Yes, we have fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Now, let's review some examples. A fish lives in water and uses gills. A frog is an amphibian and can live on land and in water. A snake is a reptile with dry and scaly skin. An eagle is a bird with feathers. And the dog is a mammal with fur that feeds its young. Different animals, different characteristics, but they all belong to the vertebrate group because they have backbones. Now, let's move to our second major group, the invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals that do not have a backbone. Some have an exoskeleton, while others have a soft bodies. Examples include insects, worms, and mollusks. Invertebrates can be found in almost every habitat, and they can make up the largest group of animals on Earth. So remember, no backbone, and that's invertebrate. Let's look at some colorful examples of invertebrates. This is a butterfly, which belongs to the insect group. A spider, which is an arachnid. Here is a snail, a mollusc. Another example is an earthworm, which belongs to the worm group. And finally, we have a jellyfish, a cnidarian, and a starfish, an echinoderm. Notice something important. None of these animals has a backbone. Now, let's compare the two groups. First, the backbone. Vertebrates have a backbone, while invertebrates do not. Second, skeleton. Vertebrates have internal skeleton or endoskeleton. Invertebrates may have an exoskeleton or a soft body. Third, size and variety. Vertebrates are generally larger and more complex, while invertebrates come in many different forms and sizes. And here's an important fact. There are far more invertebrate species on Earth than vertebrate species. So the easiest question to ask is, does it have a backbone? If yes, that is a vertebrate. If no, that is invertebrate. Ready for some amazing animal facts? Did you know that the sharks have been around for more than 400 million years? Some insects can jump up to 100 times their own body length. Birds are the only animals that have feathers. And there's an amazing one. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Nature is really incredible, isn't it? And that's all for today, learners. See you on my next educational video. Again, this is Teacher Ken.